Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorial. In this episode, we'll see how payslips are automatically updated. To do so, we need to go back to Activity and All Activities, just to show you what kind of activities we have still open in the system. So I have a course in light blue and a trip in dark blue. The course is for Jon Snow with instructor Cersei. The trip consists of the course with Jon Snow plus 2 fun divers with Tatiana. So let's assume that the course is now completed, Jon Snow passed it successfully, and I can close it. At this point, I expect that Cersei's payslip is updated accordingly. She should receive a commission for the open water course. So let's go to Financial, Staff Payment, and to Cersei's payslip. As I expected, she has a PADI open water course, 25% commission for Jon Snow, and this is updated accordingly. The open to pay is calculated automatically. Now let's go back to Activity and All Activities and close the trip. Before closing the trip, you should always open it again and double check that everything is correct. For example, let's assume that you planned for these 2 dive sites, but in the end you couldn't make it and you had to turn the boat away due to currents or anything that happened. You can still change the second or the first dive site. I just pick another one. Same goes for the date, the time, the boat. Sometimes you plan for a boat, but something unexpected happens and you need to take another boat. You can still change it as long as you click on the other boat. Same goes for the groups. Did all these people actually go to the boat? Did they join the trip? If not, for example, I can click on this 2 tank dive trip and check the customers and the staff members. Maybe Ygritte called in the morning to say that she couldn't come because of an ear infection. You just need to click on Ygritte and remove her. Consider that if you remove a customer from a trip, this customer will not be charged for the trip. So I proceed removing Ygritte from the trip, and I need to add update the group. So now I have Jon Snow with his course, and then I have Arya with Tatiana. I scroll down and save the trip, and then I can go back to All Activities to close it. Now I expect that Tatiana's payslip is updated with the commission for the fun dive. Let's go back to Financial and Staff Payment and to Tatiana's payslip. And here she has 20% for the trip just for Arya Stark. The open to pay is updated accordingly. Thank you for watching.